London in the UK. So we've been in the industry for the past 12 years, and we've been having a local presence in more than 20 countries. So what we do is that we give people access to global financial markets, such as, your stocks, your currencies, indices, commodities, via stable trading platforms, such as our latest app, the iX Social app, available on your App Store or Play Store. So we are global, but with local operations, hiring local talent, since it's critical for us to understand the local market, the culture, the people. Regarding Africa alone, we already have 7 offices. Our African headquarters are based here in Johannesburg, South Africa, where we're going to have 2 offices. Then we're going to have another office in Cape Town, 3 offices in Nigeria, and 1 in Cairo, Egypt. So to answer to your second question, iX Social is our latest app. So this app is only offered by Infinox, and it basically allows traders to interact with each other. This app is all about what we call social trading. So this app is free, simple, easy to use, and obviously mobile friendly. And it's basically like a game changer for this industry because it allows traders to copy the best trading strategy providers from around the world, follow the best signal providers, interact with them, and learn from them. So it's simple. There's no other app like this. Most apps are actually not free, and they are made of what we call some automatic trading strategies, meaning that, it's just some codes running in the background, like telling you to buy or sell something. iX Social is all about real people, real professional traders, and therefore real trading performances. And you know what? I will actually encourage you right now to take out your phone, go on your App Store or Play Store, and search for iX Social. iX space social. Download it. It's very easy and user friendly.
So, Infinox basically is a broker based here in Africa or in South Africa, as we have already alluded to. So, looking into the broker system or the online tradings, most of the time there is like this cry of fraudsters influxing into these platforms. How secure is the iX social mobile app?
No, so obviously, the app answer and comply with all of the securities that we have to comply with. That's one. And 2, when it comes down to the brokerage, obviously, like I was saying before, we are multi-regulated. So when it comes down to the broker in Africa, we are regulated by the FFCA in South Africa. Then when traders, for instance, are new and they are looking to trade the financial markets, obviously, they need to operate with a reputable and regulated broker, and regulated by well-established authorities, such as, again, for instance, the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK or the FFCA in South Africa. And, Infinox Capital is one of these few brokerages regulated by this kind of well-established authorities.
Well, yes. Initially, in our interview here, you noted that the iX social mobile app is going to be the game changer.
Yes.
How is it going to be in that case?
Well, again, so basically, like I was suggesting before, there is no other app like this one because traders cannot get access to some real professional traders. Meaning you can interact with them. You can ask them why did they open such trade. Why did they buy the SP 500? Why did they sell gold? You can definitely learn through this app directly from some real professional traders. And this kind of app, I can guarantee you, there is no other one like this.
Mm-hmm. So I or someone here in Botswana who might have an interest to have such a platform or app in his or her mobile, how do one access that? Or what are the
so you go, so it's very easy. So you go on your Play Store or App Store, you search for iX Social, you download the app, you create an account, and then one of our guys will contact you in order to help you through the system.
Mm-hmm. So nothing else that would be needed, any other particular personal information, those things?
So obviously we're going to help you to do the onboarding, right? I mean, you know, like we need, for instance, like a copy of your ID and a copy of your proof of address. But these are like details. When you come down to the system, we will explain you everything from A to Z. And you will see it's really not complicated and it's actually very user-friendly.
So then I have the IX social mobile app. What will be my advantages and benefits of having that or having trading with such platform?
So I mean, so for instance, if you are using this app, again, and let's say you are new to the financial markets, this app will give you access to some very specific trading strategies. Trading strategies that, for instance, you never heard of. But some guys have been using these trading strategies to make money out of the market. So basically, this app is like a platform. We give you access to many different professional traders and, you know, like trading strategies, which has been proven to be successful and profitable in the long term.
So then, your advice to everyone, or particularly mostly we here in Botswana, to start trading online, both pros and cons into that platform?
Sure. So streaming advice. And the first point, sorry, I was sort of explaining it. You do want to trade with a broker which is regulated, reputable, and obviously followed by some well-established authorities such as UFFCA in South Africa or your Financial Conduct Authority in the UK. 2, you do want to trade with a broker that is locally present, that has this local expertise of the country that you are currently residing in, right? And like I was suggesting before, Equinox Capital has already 7 offices in Africa, and we are actually about to open an office in Botswana with the help of one of our exclusive partners. So that's a plus, right? Mm-hmm. And the last point, I'll say that traders should only get access to some premium services in order to get successful on the financial market, such as, you know, like some proactive support teams from the broker. So like when you need some help or when you need to contact the broker, the broker will be here for you on the phone or via emails. And also, I mean, traders should also be able to trade a wide range of tradable products.